My video guide is about getting rid of the online pop-ups that are related to the site yourshields24.com. Yourshields24.com is a malicious site displaying pretty scary notifications indicating that your device is at risk and that you need to download some software. But the truth is that these pop-ups basically try to scare you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by yourshields24.com, don't trust them and don't install anything that these pop-ups might ever suggest. And also don't click on the allow button, and if you have done that, your browser may be hijacked with plenty of advertisements that would be attacking your screen from time to time. To deactivate these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions, choose Notifications, and pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove these junk sites if you find them on the list. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. We also recommend that you research your device with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start carefully examining your system. Combo Cleaner will help you to identify and eliminate any other threats. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.